Hi, my name is Ellie. I'm going to show you in this video the result of using Lavazza with our SealPod capsules. This blend that we are going to test it today is the Lavazza Espresso Italiano. It's classical and the intensity is only 5 out of 10 and it's ideal for black coffee and latte. This is basically light roast coffee. So we are going to see the result of using our SealPod capsule with this blend. And SealPod is a reusable capsule for Nespresso original line machines. And the difference of SealPod is when you fill and you are not going to drink it immediately, you can store your capsules up to 10 days like this, and you can have it ready anytime that you want. So we are going to fill the capsule. I'm going to fill 2 capsules, one for the small cup, the espresso one, and one for the lungo cup. I'm going to show you how to fill this. So fill about 1.5 scoop. Press it with the bottom of the scoop that comes with the SealPod capsule. And I fill 5 grams of coffee. So I'm going to seal this. And like I said, if you're not drinking immediately, you can use our fresh cover for later use. And this is the first one. I'm going to fill the second one. I'm going to first brew the espresso one so you can see the result of using this blend with our SealPod capsule. Okay, so now I'm going to brew a lungo cup. Okay,